Fighting ke sengta bung nalaini current affairs dinini 10 tarik 10 January 2022 current affairs ni engke ang update rogani kisa leitung lahan nakati engke first question engke which bank won the UI paid automation excellence award 2021 or an answer engke South India Bank. Two engke who inaugurated the Nobel edition of the Northeast Festival or an answer engke Jagadish Mukhi. Three in Nalene who become the new president of Kerala State Chalachitra Academy or an answer engke Ranjit Balakrishnan. Phone engke who won the SKUCH Scotch Silver Medal in Power and Energy category or an answer engke DERC. 5 engke who was appointed as the executive director of ICICI Bank or an answer engke Anup Bakshi. 6 engke which country's scientists made a brain reading factory robot or an answer engke China. 7 engke by what name was India's first indigenous server launched or an answer engke Rudra. 8 ni engke who was given the status of cabinet minister for life by the state of Goa or an answer engke Pratap Singh Rane. 9 ni engke which country's cricketer Banushka Gunathilaka announced her retirement from Test cricket or an answer engke Sri Lanka. 10 ni engke which country's new law completely banned child marriage or an answer engke Philippines. 11 engke who has been appointed as the new Director General of Punjab Police or an answer engke BK Babra. Asana jotonana ani channel subscribe ke subscribe khaige tongrate haike ang je update of rong ke nirogo naike sesenglai tamunai chat haike ang PDF amno Telegram channel horoi rone hambai.